a new like video series that we might be doing is scrapping. We're taking in a load today. We've been collecting for about a month, 2 months maybe.
Not even close to 2 months.
Not even close.
I'd say 3 weeks to a month.
3 weeks to a month, and we got all this, and we still got more out in the yard back there. And yeah, we're just gonna take you along, see how much we get out of this. We got a grill and a dryer in there. We don't micro scrap or anything, we just take it and scrap it. And if it's aluminum, we'll
Separate aluminum.
yeah, so
Alright, we'll see you at the yard.
see you at the yard.
Got a little bit of scrap, boys and girls. See anything you want? I'd need some barn siding. Now, ladies go crazy for projects with that, huh? Alright, she's all unloaded. They're pretty busy, so we didn't really get a film unloading. I mean, that's busy as I've ever seen them, but I don't come on Saturday either, so for that very reason, it's just not worth it. But way out here, cash in, and big money here. $102 for what you seen there in the bed of the truck. We didn't get a way out sheet, but we're pretty happy with that for nothing more than picking it up on the way to and from school and work and whatnot. Not really any out of the way scrapping, so we still have another load to haul in. I don't know if that'll be today or who knows when, but we'll see what happens.
I'm happy with it.
Yeah, for sure. $100, a couple hours worth of work. Alright, we've picked up a few more things since the last load we ran in. We got a stove there. Actually, it looked like it was a pretty nice stove. It's a Maytag. Got this refrigerator. And part of a, I think it's an RV washing machine. So we're going to get some of this loaded up and get it ran in and see what kind of money they give us.